Okay, so once you're in and you've chosen record, just give it a second or two to connect to the server. When you're there, you'll see that the match ID has been put into this dialog here. Now you can actually load any match by typing in a number and pressing reload. Now there's a two-dimensional view, a sort of overhead view of the lawn, and of course there's a three-dimensional view as well. On both views you can move the balls around and that will be reflected on the other view. So if I move this blue ball around here, it will be reflected on the 2D view. If I move it on the 2D view, it's reflected on the 3D view. I can change the size of the 2D view by using this slider bar here, and so that the point at which the magnification occurs can be altered, you can move this magnifying glass here. So if I move the magnifying glass to near hoop 1 and then click this slider, then I'm zooming in on hoop 1. If I move it to hoop 5, then everything's pivoted now around hoop 5. So that just makes it slightly easier to move around. I can rotate the view as well, so I can have it in landscape view, so I can have a really nice big landscape view of the lawn. This little beastie here, this controls the three-dimensional camera. So by clicking and dragging it around, we can drag to particular places on the lawn. We can use the left and right arrow keys on the keyboard to pan left and right, like looking left and right, or up and down to look up and down. And if you use this scroll button on your mouse, you can make the camera go higher or lower as well. Now to record a position like this one here, you simply just press one of the colored keys at the bottom. And of course what these colored keys indicate is what the previous striker ball was. So basically I've said that this arbitrary position number 1 is after red ball played. So imagine if the yellow ball was now over here. Let's say it was there and I wanted to record that position saying that the yellow had just played. That would be now the second position. If I want to go back to the first position, I just click the number 1. I want to go back to the second position, click number 2, and so on. So that's how you build up a view of the moves of the game.